Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing DYangBass. It's kind of bright out, so I'm putting on my glasses here. Anyways, welcome back. So I was supposed to go a little north from where I'm from, but apparently the wind up there picked up to like almost 20 miles per hour. So here I am, south at a lake nearby. I don't know what we're doing. I definitely want to do some pan fishing because I brought my pan fishing rod, but first thing in the morning we're going to do some bass fishing and see how that goes, and then we'll go scout for some panfish, cruising around the sand area, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video because I know you guys watched the ultra clear pumpkin seed video and I see that you guys like that stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and try to replicate that and do it again. So with that being said, enjoy, and I'll see you guys. We're already on the water. Peace. I think I got my weapon of choice here. Figure it out, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna frog first thing in the morning because it just looks too good to not frog, you know? Oh, I didn't plug this in. I'm nervous because I haven't done this in a while, you know? I haven't frogged, I don't know, maybe a month and a half ago, I think. Yeah, it's been a minute, guys. Quite some time. Let's see if we can do it. I'll be happy if I get one frog. Pretty cool. One frog. Got him. Yep, that's a nice one. Oh, it's not that big, but it's a fish. Oh, my arms are tired. Gosh. Way to wake me up in the morning, buddy. Whoa. Freaking blew up like a champ. Little dude. Woo! Goodness. I'm tired as heck. Had a caffeine, man. There you go, much better. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm actually gonna fish from the back because that sun is beating the heck out of me, guys. So we're gonna frog from the back, okay? Frog from the back. Take this off if I can. There we go. Let's leave that right there. Just for now, just for a little bit. Drop this guy so I get caught in here. These are my power pole for today. There we go. Hopefully I can stay in one spot for a little bit. Oh my gosh, that guy wrecked it, dude. Jeez. Oh god. It's a nice one too. Much better fish. Holy smoke, buddy. Ate that frog, dude. Look how stocky and round he is. Look at that. That frog is in its throat, man. That's a nice bass. Look how dark it is. Wow. Insane blow up. Holy smoke. Boom! Jeez! Little guy. Hit it hard as heck. Little dude. Got him. Oh, he popped off. He left the bird nest on my rod tip. Oh, great, buddy. Thanks a lot. Just a little dude. Dude, he hit the frog so hard that it came towards me. Yeah, put this mask on because the wind is like beating my head, dude. It just doesn't work for the sun, you know. It works for the wind too. That wind can definitely burn your ear or your face. Wind burn. Dude was in the grass. Whoa. Wow. You're dark. You're way back there. Ah, some sharp teeth. Nice bass. And then lily pads. Super dark. Lily pads, can't beat it. See you, buddy. Jeez! It's just a little guy. My goodness. Bro. Goodness. You alright? Jeez. He hit it so freaking hard. Dude hit it like a tank. Gosh, my bad. He was there. Just had to knock it a couple times. Little guy. Not the big one, but I'll take it. Jeez. There we go. Rockfish. As soon as I drop my rod tube down. Holy darkness. Wow. Look at that. Feisty too. As soon as I dropped my rod tube down. Freaking smoked it. Whoa, dude! I was to check my phone. I felt it hit from afar. Gosh, dude. I didn't even jig or anything. Little guy. You guys saw that? Staring at my booty and then fish just freaking blew up on it. Oh, it's a freaking pike. Gosh. That's what it was. Oh man, I thought I broke my rod. Oh god, it was a freaking pike. Damn it. If I knew it was a pike, I would have threw it back in there. This one's for you, Tas. That's why we hate it. Oh gosh. Yep, frog probably has 10,000 holes in it now, so scared the crap out of me. Not a big guy, but he was hiding in the dark. Ah! Jeez, so feisty. Well guys, I think that's it for today. what I had planned wasn't what was planned for me. Let's just put it that way. I wanted to do some pumpkin seed fishing for you guys, like fishing, you know, the fun stuff, but it just wasn't happening. Let's just say wind picked up, hot out. It is what it is, you know. Yep, it is what it is. We caught a lot of bass. We still caught some fish, you know. Still pretty cool, but we'll try next time. We will try next time, and hopefully we can find some nice big panfish for you guys. Although I still had fun. I mean, I'm not gonna say I didn't, because nothing beats freaking explosive bass like that. I don't care what size it is, big or small, man. I like catching all of them. So just being able to just do something different for you guys, like lily pad style, flipping style, into like covers and stuff like that. That's pretty darn cool. We will figure something out together. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below. If you guys like this stuff, please let me know so I can keep doing it. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.